Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this grape material, and I have used same material for wine and the wine bottle. Okay, let's see how to make this grape material. To do that, first I'm going to remove this grape material from one grape. Then you can do with me. You can follow my steps. I'm going to select this grape and then go to shading menu, and after that I'm going to add a new material. That's it. Then I have to increase this transmission value. I have to increase this transmission value to the all the way up like that, and then you have to choose color for your grape, and you have to add noise texture to the roughness like that. That is pretty much it. Now you have perfect grape material. If you want, you can tweak the color and your noise texture. You can play with that. Yeah, that is pretty much it. With a few clicks, you can make amazing material like this. Okay, thank you.